Yes, that is the Beast of Priest.
Fabulous stuff. So it's not over yet, don't worry. But whilst we've got Mark changing the guitar, may as well look at the tour dates, eh?
Okay, let's do that.
So tomorrow, as I understand it, you're playing the Cluny in Newcastle, followed by Room 2, what's that would be, in Glasgow. You're playing Room 2, by the look of it. The following day, the 26th, you're playing the Boat Club in Nottingham, finishing off on the 27th at Oslo in Hackney. Is that about the size of it, mate?
That sounds right to me.
Excellent, okay. And the last tune is going to be Never Said.
Yes, and so this is a song that's also on the new album. All of these songs are going to be on That Delicious Vice, which you will hear in a matter of months.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yes, and this is a love song.
Okay.
There we go again, talking to you, my friend, and the wild wind, and all those things that we said. They go out into the ocean and come back to us in the sea. There were clouds on the way overhead, but a light shined through and it put me on my head. The sound of pain sound of all those things that we never see.
Always a joy, you know. Kid Congo and the Pink Monkey Birds live in session. The boy had it all. Wicked World, The Beast, The Priest, Never Said. Need to say thanks to Amy and Chris for doing the mix and looking after the band tonight. And whilst I'm at it, producer Simon as well. You're great. Thanks very much, guys.
Thank
Real
you,
pleasure.
Mark. Thank you so much for having us.
Always a pleasure, as I say. Thank you.
So great to see you.